What is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and today I'm going to be showing you a little inside sneak peek on my icebox. So check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
It looks like you lost another one.
Alright guys, so I hope you liked the video. If you guys want to see me do a tutorial on this icebox, please put it down in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video and you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you like this channel and you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So it's Scotty Restores Kicks, and do you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'll see you next time.